video. If you can hear it in my voice, you can tell I am not totally sick, but I'm having some voice issues, so sorry. I wanted to get this video out. I've had it sitting around a little while now. And so yeah. So if you guys want to scan the box, so you can try to find it. Otherwise, I'll post a link down below. This is a 1/24 scale RC drift car. It's supposed to be a drift car. It says rally though on the box. I think it's supposed to be like a Honda Civic copy. I'm not real familiar with like those kind of cars, but something like that. Let's open it up here. And this is just adding to the series of cheap RC stuff, cheap cars. I hope you guys are all doing well. We've had a bug going around in my house for like the past week, 2 weeks. Then pull everything out. Okay, so they did send me a random color. This is not the one I originally wanted. That's fine though. Open up here. You have your batteries, charger, and then you actually do get like soft tires, or high grip tires, I guess is what Winnie would call them. And then this radio looks extremely cheap. Then again, what can you really ask for? This car, guys, is only $30. This may be a good Christmas present. It may not. I don't know if you look at it and decide that. So here is the car. And a little screwdriver. Open up the bottom. Alright, so there's that. Oh, okay. So here's your little charger. And you get 2 batteries with it. So these are 500 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt. So basically a 1S. But they're a Li-ion battery. Okay, that's cool. So you get 2 batteries with it. I'm sure these are probably dead, but let's just pop one in it. It does have working lights and stuff. As you can see, it's got the slick tires on it at the moment. Let's open this radio up. We'll see what it needs. Two AA's. And it did not include the AA's, guys, so keep that in mind. Then I have a bunch of AA's down here. Let's grab 2 of these. Put 2 arm of AA's in there. Radio. Let's make sure it turns on. Okay, good. Turns on. So the radio does feel extremely cheap, but I was kind of expecting that. But also, it's not proportional control. So, put this one on. We'll throw the other battery on the charger. So then your charger should light up red. It's charging, fantastic. Let's take this over to the other room. So it does have headlights, but it doesn't have taillights, and it also is not proportional. Which kind of blows. So let's take it over. Let's try driving on some. I have a feeling this one might be a little bit of a dud, guys. It's too bad because it actually looks really cool. So let's take it over there. Let's get it on the floor. Let's try to get some drifting done on it. Let's see what happens. Alright, guys. Alright, so it's not working very well as a drifter. However, it came with some hard rubber tires. I'm going to go throw those on quick, and then we'll come back and do another really quick thing and just see if it's any better with the hard rubber tires. Okay, so we have got the soft rubber tires on now. I will say, pretty fast, actually. But the steering radius is absolutely terrible. Alright, let's take this back over into the room quick and let's kind of talk about it. So, guys, yeah, it's an RC car. Yeah, it functions like an RC car without proportional control, which means when you turn the wheels one way, they go the whole way. Turn it the other way, they go the whole way. It only has one throttle power. This thing, guys, I have to say is a dud. I'm not a fan of it. It don't steer enough when you got these tires on. You can't drift it. It's hard to drift. The adjustment button on the bottom, or flipper for the steering, is like an old Tyco RC. The only thing this thing's really got going for it is that how cool the body looks. This body looks really sweet. I think it's supposed to be an old like Honda Civic or a CRX, and it looks sweet. It looks awesome. So it'll probably end up going on my shelf, and I'll leave it on my shelf just to look at, just because of how cool looking it is. Like it's a model. But other than that, it's really not good for anything. If you want to buy one, I'll post a link down below. If you do buy one, you'll find out why I don't like it, and you'll probably not like it either. So you can find that link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Doing these cheap RCs have been a lot of fun. I did the Porsche like last week, and that one was really good. If you're gonna spend your money, I would spend my money on that Porsche, that WL Toys K969, before I bought this. This I would maybe buy to give to like a niece, nephew, or something. But other than that, yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe.